Gujarat has a long historical and cultural tradition dating back to the days of the Indus Valley civilization, established by remnants of civilization found at Lothal. According to the Hindu epics, Lord Krishna evacuated Mathura and established their kingdom known as Dwarka. Gujarat is the birthplace of many leaders who played an important role in shaping modern India. Prominent among them are Sri Dadabhai Nauroji, the grand old man of India's independence struggle, and Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, the architect of a united India, and above all, Mahatma Gandhi. The beautiful dances of Garba speak of vibrant Gujarat culture. There are about 18,000 villages in Gujarat and over 3 crore people reside in the villages. The Rural Development Department is involved in improving the condition of human life in the rural areas of Gujarat. The Rural Development Department is implementing schemes for generation of self-employment and wage employment for the rural masses, providing houses to rural people and creating village assets. In this film, we deal with the special initiative taken by Rural Development Department, Government of Gujarat. The special initiatives taken by Rural Development Department are Gram Hart under SGSY Special Scheme, schemes under the ADB JFPR, Khet Talawadi under SGRY, adoption of below poverty line scorecard, third-party monitoring and evaluation. As an effort to enable the rural BPL artisans in form of SHG or on individual level to be a part of the mainstream markets by eliminating the role for middlemen, the Rural Development Department, Government of Gujarat established Gujarat Gram Hart on 19th May 2002. Gram Hart is an autonomous body and registered as a public charitable trust located in Ahmedabad and functioning as nodal center for the entire state. This woman has been cooking food at the Gujarat Gram Hart, Ahmedabad for the large number of visitors who come here. She makes traditional food. It has been a successful initiative by the Department of Rural Development, Government of Gujarat. ADB JFPR. The earthquake of January 2001 wreaked extensive damage in the social infrastructure of the villages, affecting adversely the drinking water needs, health and education facilities. The Japan Fund for Poverty Reduction JFPR project was consequently prepared by the Asian Development Bank. The ADB JFPR project addresses the drinking water needs and the non-traditional income generation approaches for the rural poor. It serves as a model project for government, NGO cooperation. It supports new initiatives and ideas for improving the livelihood. It implements in the earthquake-affected districts as well as the tribal districts for maximum benefit. The activities such as vermicompost is bound to create revolution in the field of organic farming. The organic farming has been successfully taken up in Dahod district. Sadhguru Foundation and Sahaj are proactive in the field and have taken up many projects. Plantation of roses, mango plantation, kaju production have been taken up in various parts of Gujarat. Khet Talawadi. Government of Gujarat took special initiatives for the construction of more than 1 lakh Khet Talawadis in 2004-2005 all over Gujarat. The main objectives behind the construction of Khet Talawadis was to raise the water table of the area. Government of Gujarat was awarded Kapam International Award for Innovations. Adoption of below poverty line scorecard, a rational system with 0 to 16 scores to identify the families of below poverty line families has been implemented throughout Gujarat by the Rural Development Department. This initiative is unique in nature The third-party monitoring is another bold initiative which is again unique in nature. Rural Development Department, Government of Gujarat, assigned the third-party monitoring and evaluation project to Wapcos Limited and A.F. Ferguson and Company for carrying out independent review of implementation of rural development programs throughout Gujarat. The vision of Department of Rural Development, Government of Gujarat is upliftment of the lives of the rural poor.